Hi guys, how are you all? I'm back with yet another video, and this out of nowhere Saturday video came because I have to tell you about all my May books or all the books I'm gonna read for Asian Readathon. And telling them in the mid of May would rather seem inappropriate and not promising at all. So yeah, if you have been here before, welcome back, and if you are new, welcome. This is Mansi from Readers and Creators. So today I'm gonna tell you about all the books I'm going to read in Asian Readathon or in May. So basically my May TBR. Now people who don't know, Readathon is basically reading marathon. It's like a race, like how many books you can read in particular month. Now in a Readathon, there are certain prompts from which you have to choose books. Like if there's a prompt, read a book by black author, written by a black author. So you have like million of choices and you read one book out of that. So the purpose of Readathon is like exploring different genres, different authors, and basically different prompts. So this Asian Readathon is set for May month and I am participating in this. To participate in Asian Readathon or any kind of Readathon, you basically have to just follow or be in connection with the person who is organizing this. And secondly, you have to use this hashtag and update all your reading updates on social media. And at the end of month you have like million more choices from different prompts, like the books other people read, or they will have the choices the books you read. So it's like just connecting all the people in book community and making them come together. So yeah, without any further ado, I'm gonna tell you about all the prompts from Asian Readathon, and I'm gonna tell you about which books I am reading from each prompts. Now the first prompt is read any book written by Asian author, for which I selected a fiction book that is Falling into Places by Amy Zhang. Amy Zhang is a Chinese author and this is her debut novel. But it's like so popular and people loved this so much. The story revolves around the protagonist complications of understanding the physics in class and then just applying all that things like mass, inertia, gravity and acceleration, everything into just real life incidents. The protagonist tries to suicide and she fails. So it's like that, and it's so like mysterious and different kind of thing I'm gonna read. Physics and real life and connecting those dots is so new for me, and this is young adult. So let's see. Second prompt is read any book with Asian protagonist, for which I chose The Disappearances by Emily Bain Murphy. This is her debut novel, and this is about a girl, Ayla, a teenager who came back to her hometown after death of her mother. She get to know that things are disappearing in her town over time, in months, in years, and it's filled with secrets, mystery, and this genre is magical realism. So I haven't read many from this genre, just one or two books, that too ARC. So I'm gonna read this and find out. Third prompt is read any book written by Asian author in your favorite genre. And my favorite genre is historical fiction. So I chose A Case of Exploding Mangoes by Muhammad Hanif. Muhammad Hanif is a Pakistani author, and this book is comic, humorous and political also. This is based on the plane crash of former president of Pakistan, and it's filled with humor, political satire and everything. So I think after those two genres, this will be like a good read for me. Next prompt is read any book written by Asian author which is non-fiction. I'm not a huge fan of non-fiction, but memoirs, travelogues, this fascinates me. So I chose a non-fiction, a travelogue by William Dalrymple, The Age of Kali. Now this is also interesting because it is based on Indian subcontinent and about the Hindu belief and everything. So William Dalrymple is a great author. I have read few of his works but not a complete book, and this will be my first. So yeah, this is a non-fiction, a thick non-fiction. So let's see how far I get. Last prompt is read any book written by Asian author which is not US centric, for which I chose The Secret of Nagas, second book in the trilogy of Amish Tripathi, Shiva trilogy. I read The Immortals of Meluha last month and I'm gonna read this. This is a mythology obviously about Shiva, and obviously it's not US centric because it's talking about the mythological creature Shiva from Hindu mythology. So yeah, all the prompts are done, and let's see if I could finish all these books I have told you about. I have already read Shuggy Bane by Douglas Stewart in this 5 or 7 days of May. So I think my May wrap up will be quite a good number, but let's see. And if you are also participating in Asian Readathon, just tell me in comments which books you chose from different prompts. And if you are a booktuber or a bookstagrammer, just post your books and tag me. And yeah, subscribe me here so that you don't miss any further updates on Readathon and everything. I'm not just too much into it, but I'm starting this and I find this so exciting because I'm getting to know about a lot of authors and lot of genres and lot of more books. Comment if you have read any books from this or if you are planning to read any of this so we can read along or buddy read anything, and subscribe here and press the bell icon so you don't miss any further updates. Until then, keep reading, be happy and be safe. Bye bye.